Today, we will talk more about smart money concepts and trading the fast, dominant moves. As you already know, trading the momentum and ongoing trends can help you find quicker and better trades rather than trading very choppy price action. If you are ready, let's talk about it. GLM was one of the great top gainer coins today. But how these all price actions started, let's talk about that first. As you can see on the daily chart, this price action was bearish before. Structures were breaking downwards. Notice the imbalance here. What is the purpose of an imbalance? It should keep pushing the price in the direction of the main trend. So the expected move was here to have a new break downwards. But what really happened here? Instead, the imbalance failed, and the buyers took the control back. Imbalance strongly failed, as you can see. So who is the dominant side here? It is the buyers as for today. By using smart money indicator called ICT high time frame candles, now we can observe the price action much better in multi-time frames, as you can see. Notice the dominance of the buyers here. The significant move made the GLM coin the top gainer of today. So the question is, how we can trade these dominant rallies on the go? Okay, now let me open the 15-minute chart on the left side and see something. Notice the inner break right here in the 15-minute time frame. Now I'm switching to the 5-minute time frame. Notice the same break here. And finally, we are in the 1-minute time frame one more time, same break right here. This kind of breaks gives us interesting trade chances. An inner time frame structure box appears right here. It is also a natural SR flip area with inner imbalance. This can be a very natural quick entry point for you. So when you trade ongoing fast rallies with the dominant side, you shall quickly enter and exit most of the time. Grab like 2-3% move and get out. So let me explain the price action again one more time. We know that buyers got very dominant in this coin. In the low time frames, you have noticed the extremely fast price action, naturally making many bull flags which you can also try to trade. But sometimes these obvious structure boxes come to life, giving us much more precise movements and entry points to trade. So these should be our great trade chances on the dominant trend rallies. Before we end this lesson, I need to talk about something really important. Why normally I try to trade the multiple imbalance points in earlier times? Because I want to catch the early rallies before it is extremely extended. Basically, each rally generally have two stages, early and late stages. When you take trades in the early stages, you will have a higher chance of successful trades because price is not extended yet. Once the price is really extended, I can still trade, there is no problem. The issue is overextensions generally crushes very hard at some point, and it is almost impossible to know when this asset will gonna crash. Okay people, I hope that this lesson will help you out a lot. See you next time, have a great day. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you, about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you